Om Dhom Dhom Dhagire.
Om Namah Paramarishibhyom Namah Paramarishibhyam Hari Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahmam Dasmai Sri Guru Murtaye Nimaidam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. Namaste. Welcome. In our previous video, we have seen the secrets of 7 chakras, the energy centers. Through that, today we are going to see the Mooladhara Chakra. This is the first chakra. We can see about this chakra very deeply in spiritual way for more understanding. Today we are going to talk about something very important, the foundation of your life. In spirituality, we speak about 7 chakras, energy centers in our body. But among all chakras, the most important is the first one, Mooladhara Chakra, also called the Root Chakra. Why? Because if the root is weak, the whole tree is unstable. In the same way, if your root chakra is unstable, your life feels insecure, fearful, and restless. So today, let us understand this deeply in the simple and practical way. First, what is Mooladhara Chakra? The Mooladhara means Moola, it means root. Adhara means support. So the Mooladhara means the root support of your existence. It is located at the base of the spine. This chakra is connected to survival, security, stability, basic needs like food, shelter, safety. In modern language, we can say this chakra is connected to your sense of safety in life. If this chakra is balanced, we feel grounded, stable, calm. If this chakra is disturbed, we feel fear, anxiety, insecurity. Now, we can see there is a question it's rise. How do we know the root chakra is imbalanced? Let us make it practical. If root chakra is imbalanced, you may experience constant fear about money, future, health, anxiety without reason, feeling unsafe, even if you are in safe situation, overthinking survival problems, lack of stability in life, or the opposite side, over attachment to money, anxiety, greed, constant need for control. Both are imbalance symptoms. Balance means you feel safe without depending too much on external things. The psychological truth is, now let us go some deeper to explore the psychological truth. Mooladhara is not just energy, it is also physiological. Every human being has a basic question inside: am I safe in this world? If the answer is no, fear begins. And most people live in this fear without knowing it. Even successful people feel, what if I lose everything? This fear comes from an unstable mood. So spirituality is not escaping life. It is about becoming internally stable. Now we can see the spiritual perspective way. Now let us go deeper. According to spiritual wisdom, fear comes because of identification. You think, I am this body, I am this mind. So naturally you feel, I can be harmed, I can lose things. But when you understand, I am not just a body, I am the awareness. Sometimes changes, fear reduces because awareness cannot be on. So the real healing of Mooladhara is not just physical, it is spiritual understanding. Now we can see some practical techniques about the Mooladhara Chakra balancing. Now let me give you some simple practice. Grounding practice. Walk barefoot on earth. Feel the ground. This connects you to stability. Second one is breathe awareness. Sit quietly, take a slow, deep breath. Focus on the lower part of the body where it plays the Mooladhara Chakra. Awareness practice, the third one. Observe your fears. Don't say, I am afraid. Say, fear is arising in me. This, the way you say in that place, the distance creates. The fourth one is gratitude practice. Every day say, I am safe, I have enough. This reduces survival anxiety. Fifth one, physical stability. Keep your life simple, regular routine, healthy body, basic disciplines. Spirituality is not separate from life. Listen carefully. The real root chakra is not in the body. The real root is awareness itself. When you are established in awareness, you feel naturally stable. Because awareness is not dependent on anything. This is the highest understanding. I want to leave you with this. If your root is strong, your life becomes stable. But true stability does not comes from money, people, or situations. It comes from inner awareness. So every day sit quietly, observe your mind, understand your fears, go deeper into yourself. That is the real grounding. This is the real spirituality. Thank you. Be stable, be aware, be free. Om Shivaya Namaha.